people, how you doing? Èmi ètò ààbò wọn, olólùfẹ́ wọn, number one crush wọn. Ọmọ Ondo of Africa, ó pọ̀ yẹ́yẹ́. Ẹ kí wọ́n gbé ìyá ìjàmà. Ọmọ yìí mú agogo dẹ mú mi. Ọmọ oṣù wúlé èsọ̀bẹ, ọ̀bẹ wúlé òṣòdò bíbọ. Àolú, ọmọ ló sọ. Ó gbà láì gbé sókolá. Àṣà ògbó agẹmọ. Èdè òṣà òkè gbọ̀túlà. Wé ṣe kí n wé bàbá ṣe lọ. Stop playing dọ́ ojú wọn èyí. Mi di ṣe kí n mi di gbé wọn débẹ̀. Bí gbé wọn fún bẹ̀bẹ̀ ṣe lọ. Ó dà mọ̀ fọ̀ fi Ondo. Àwọn ọ̀nẹ́ obi tún. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́, obi tún dance. Obi tún dance. Obi tún dance. Ondo ọ̀nà obi tún ìlú bá mọ̀. Ó ní ìṣẹ̀wẹ̀ ṣe gbé ẹsẹ̀ ojú wa. Ọlọ́ba gbọ́. Bí bá ṣe fọ kámẹ́rà ní bá ṣó ẹsẹ̀ mi kò wọ́n bọ̀ tiẹ̀. Bí wọ́n yà máa show off. Bí wọ́n yà máa show off. Ṣé for Ondo òun ní obi tún dance? Ẹ̀dí ìkan àwọn orin. So today I want you guys to listen and listen because I want to bring the sweet, harmonious, oh my God, some popular song in Ondo dialect. Some only a recording Ulondo, popular song in Ondo. Very bad, she kid do by Jomo do bear, o ma shekidu, o madro bank, already as the Camus said, do Murajo you because if I be a fool. And you too that you're not from Ondo, I want you to stand up because you will start dancing to the tone of the musician that I have because my best, you're popular in Ondo. Shall we give it? So if you attended primary school in Ondo or secondary school in Ondo, you'll be so familiar with this particular song that I want to sing. All these cultural dance, we say that you do. Hey, Ondo bitu, and Auntie Aro loko one bay. Àwọn amọ́wọ́ sí àgbóbìṣí àwọn gí wọn fọyín àwọn amú ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn o wà mú sí ọwọ́ ẹ̀bìṣí àwọn kan ṣe àwáwá ègbèrè olóye àwámàwá ọmọ Ondo ègbèrè níní àwáwá ègbèrè olóye àwọn orin yìí à ń kọ wọ̀lí. That's just like opening song. Wow, mo ṣí ijó ni àwàwá. So bó ṣe lọ ẹ̀yìn. Oníyà àkọ́kọ́ mo ṣí àgbónà ẹ̀yìn. Oníyà àkọ́kọ́ mo ṣí àgbónà ẹ̀yìn. Ṣé o mọ̀ fọ̀fin? In all this cultural dance, you know they used to have Ode. Ode is a male. He will be the one handling the gun as an hunter. Other is hunter, you understand? So there's this song that they used to sing for them. Because during the cultural dance, the Ode will be there with those beautiful old maidens, you know what I'm saying? Yibe, kasheki, kamuesema, kamurajo. Awa kori kaku Ode. Yibe, Ode leo mogie. Ode wokubo, Ode at this particular time, they are welcoming that hunter to come and perform. Like, oh, you want to come and scatter the dance floor? So the Ode, they will now sing the song that Ishewe she padigo, Ushewe she padigo, Banami, Ushewe she padigo, Banami, Ushewe she padigo, Banami, Ushewe she padigo. Odene, everybody be she, Ode, those on that they can dance for Africa. They can put any rubber but they show them. Anybody tearing to me, oh, emushi Ode. Anybody tearing to me, oh, emushi Ode. So another popular song that you will hear people sing in Ondo dialect, very very harmonious song is Shewelude. Kaedo warin Shewelude, Shewelude, Kaedo warin Shewelude, Shewelude, Kaedo warin Shewelude, Shewelude, Kaedo warin Shewelude. You see that Shewelude is like they are admiring you, they are telling you, take it easy, step by step. Shewelude is like a beautiful lady. Now I'm saying, come to the dance floor. That will tell you, Shewelude. Kaedoario. Shewelude. Shewelude. Kaedoario. Shewelude. So this beautiful lady will now come out and show herself. She wants to let them know that she can dance for Africa. She will now say, they will now sing the song. They say, Ewa mama ilomi o, mama ilo, ewa mama ilomi, mama ilo, ewa mama ilomi. Omi to plant, omi to plant, omi. Ewa mama ilomi o, mama. Ewa mama ilomi, mama. Ewa mama ilomi o, mama. Ewa mama ilomi, mama ilo. Mama ilo, omi to plant, omi. Omi to plant, omi. To plant. So, by the time you are done with the fashion parade, you show yourself, you do, they will now tell you that you are the Homer, you are the beautiful girl that you are. They will make you your head to sway. Oh, you go, kalala. The batik be any of my look. We're fine. About be a my look, we're fine too. We're fine. So, I want to one more in it. I want to have shaking. I want to have moved beer. They will use to carry you there. They will not change, you see. Kajo. Kayo. Uyolo yo wo san okan e owe. Kajo. Kayo. Uyolo wo san okan. Oya, uyolo wo san okan e owe. Uyolo wo san okan e owe. Ali uyolo wo san okan. Hey, easy. Tẹ́ bá ti mú rin ne. Láti bí ewu ẹ̀dùn lala. Sorry, I'm people now. Why not do it, huh? Yeah, for Shadow just have a will and no return. Will and no return. Me, will and no return. That batty call in it. That's a cockwe. When they sing and sang the song, you will spend all your money. You will spend it finish because it's easy. So another popular song. That's when you hear this song, you do this people, they are from Ondo State. No jokes. They are from Ondo State. Ondo, ọmọ gbajúmọ̀, bàtà yìí látú. Tikit. Ondo ẹ kí mo gún o, bàtà yìí látú o. Ondo ẹ kí mo gún o, bàtà yìí látú. Ondo ẹ kí mo gún o, bàtà yìí látú o. Ondo ẹ kí mo gún o, bàtà yìí látú. Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ fọ ẹ̀ bàtà yìí látú. Batailatu. It's batailatu. Oya kiwo gun batailatu we do e ba ma. So be she doing yen. Àwọn orin won to. Yo yen even know wa mo fa no. That ba ti comment láti ko e tan a tún gbé fu be. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala o. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala. Ọlọ́run bá gbọ́. Ó yẹ ní ìgbà àyàn. Ọlọ́run dáfọ́ àwọn fáǹsì mi. Àfẹ́ ní gbé wọn tán. Ó yẹ ní ìgbà àyàn sí ẹgbẹ́ mi bẹ́ẹ̀ lóde. Bàbá mi ṣáì lò sí wọn. Ìgbà mi ṣáì. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala o. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala o. Àgbo ọmọdò ṣídà omi ye lala. Ó yá káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò. Ó yá káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò. Ó yá lúlíbà ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀. Ó yá lúlúlì yẹ. Ó yá lúlíbà ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀. Àwọn subscriber mi. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. We enjoy mi ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀. Ó yá káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò. Ó yá káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ò ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀. I say káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀gẹ̀nẹ̀ṣẹ̀. It means me pé don't káyọ̀yọ̀ ẹ̀. You're happy that you're happy. Happiness they go. Make sure do the way you are happy. Continue the happiness. That's the meaning of kayo you. And continue to be happiness that your happiness in. Kayo ayo shegeneshe. Kayo ayo shegeneshe. Don't mind what is happening. Kayo ayo shegeneshe. Only what's only kayima. Kima di janwatan. Di janwatan. To be shelo. Odo. Ṣe kí mu ya jara. Mu jara. Ye je wa. So mo try the point. Ó wá ní orin. Bàbá kan mo fẹ́ kọ be. O di fe da ba mi ko mo fo àwọn Yorùbá mọ̀. Da ba mi kọrin e. And if you want me to sing a particular song that is not in this my playlist that I'm playing, that I'm drumming and playing for you, comment the song. I will make research and sing it for you personally. You know what I'm saying? Personally. I will sing it for you personally. So the song says, "O ma jẹun o, tó bá ti lówó, tó jẹun o san òkú ẹ o, kò lẹ́gbẹ̀rún àpò yí báǹkì, ọ̀dọ̀ bá ti pé máa dùyẹ̀ ó tán o, takapá máa lù ú jẹ́. Àpọ̀gùn ẹ̀ o máa jẹun o. Fáàsì mi, a máa jẹun o. Tẹ́wọ̀n bá ti lówó. Akadẹ́wù ó san òkú wọn o. Dábàá lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ wọn kò sí báǹkì. Ọjọ́ ti pé máa dùn yẹ̀ ó tán o. Dákápá máa lù ú jẹ́. Àpọ̀gùn ẹ̀. What is the meaning of this particular song that I sang last? Why? What is the meaning? It says, "Gumajeun." It means eat. Ka jẹun. What is ṣiṣẹ́ jù? Jẹun yóò sàn sí òkú ẹ. That's advice. Mo ní kò mọ̀ nìyẹn. Jẹun yóò sàn sí òkú ẹ. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food in your stomach. Don't be doing workaholic. Yoruba bọ̀ wọ́n ní pé ntẹ́ bá gbẹ́rẹ́ jẹ́ fò àbí kí ló sọ ntẹ́ bá ti jẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ fò. You are the higher in this my way. Ẹyẹ wudi ẹyẹ ló bá ti jẹ́ òun àgbẹ̀ fò. Ìwò máa jẹun o. Bí o bá ti náwó, if you have money, eat well. If you have 3 billion uncountable inside your account balance, if you die like this, you have gone. Even next of kin, send you. Next of kin, send you. Within hair days, when they are doing hair days, they are going to do the sharing of the property. That's just the summary of that song. Priority. If you are just joining me, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out, you know what I'm saying? I love you guys like all the time. See ya. If you want me to drop my songs, popular song in Ondo, please comment at the comment section if there's this particular song that you want me to sing. It's very rampant and I'm not talking about it. Oh yeah, carry me there, sharp. Carry me going, I don't know. What's my volo? Madi wo ilé àwọn Igbo ko e. Body cool my praise, you cool my praise. Bye.